Hello my friends, what is my task for today? Nikos, I want a recipe for carbonara, but I am lactose free. Yes, I have the right thing for you. It's time for kitchen. Let's make the nice carbonara without meat, without milk, and without cheese. 100% vegan. Our water is ready. It's the time to add the pasta. And as we're waiting for the pasta, let's make the sauce. The sauce is more easier because all the ingredients we'll add it here. Of course, all the nuts has soaked in the water at least 2 days because it's almonds and macadamia. If you want, you can put cashew nuts, but this recipe is better with almonds and macadamia. All the ingredients in the blender, the almonds, macadamia, 1 piece of garlic, the coconut cream, and the smoked paprika. So our pasta are ready. This beautiful macadamia cream is also ready. It's the time to marry them in this nice bowl. The last ingredient is salt, vegan yellow cheese, and a lot of black pepper. Turn off the fire and let's see the final step. Our pasta is ready. Let's take a plate and to serve. now my favorite time. Oh my god, looks so creamy and sticky is this spaghetti. Unbelievable, amazing, amazing, insane. I, I, I don't have words anymore. Thank you. See you next video.